Right now, we are in a MetaTrader application. You can use an Android or iPhone and you will see something like this. You have an ordinary MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 account, and your question is, how can I withdraw money from MetaTrader account? So the answer for all these beginner trader is simple. You need to use your brokerage account. So hello, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we'll just a few minutes talk about this subject, how you can withdraw money from MetaTrader app. So on MetaTrader app, you can trade, you can watch charts, but you cannot manage your money. Your money will be managed from the side of the broker. So right now, we will go to see how brokerage account looks like. For example, right now, we are in forex brokerage account. So here, if you want to withdraw your money, you need to pick one of these methods. So you can use a Bitcoin on Payco, Skrill, or Neteller, or there is a lot of ways you can withdraw money. Even you can use a Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. So this forex broker has, and I think the biggest depository and the biggest way how you can withdraw the money. So of course, when you click, for example, Neteller, when you click the Neteller, you will get this page. You will put your account number, your password, and then you will see whatever you want to see. After this, we can go to the hot forex or HFM broker. Here you can see the same thing. A lot of withdrawal methods that you can use. This is the same methods you can use to fund your account. Wire transfer, card, web money, BitPay, FastPay, etc., etc. And of course, HFM and Hot Forex, they have one of the richest dashboard from all brokers. You have a lot of competitions, various tools, marketing tools, promotion tools, and everything. And of course, you can use this portal to add money. The good thing is, when you add money in your MetaTrader, from that moment, even use MetaTrader app or MetaTrader desktop software, you will see that amount of money that you have in your account. And then you can trade in your platform. Platform is only for trading, and this brokerage account is the place when you can manage all your withdrawals, deposits. You can see all your trades. You can see various tools that you can use, information use, etc., etc. And of course, the last broker that just to show one as FX Pro, one of the famous world brokers. Right now, my wallet is $0. I can fund money and go and use, for example, Neteller, Skrill, Visa, and for every single country or for every single country resident, you will have a different list of possible deposit and withdrawal options. So it's very important thing to remember that sometimes for some countries you will not be able to use some payment methods. For example, some people in some countries, I think the UK or Australia, they can use PayPal for deposit to withdraw at FX Pro, and other residents cannot. Or of course, this is changing all the time. So you will always have several deposit and withdrawal options that you can use to fund or withdraw money from your MetaTrader account, and this is the only thing that matters. So I hope that you learned something new. I hope this video for beginners trader is enough, and